Grabe, legit na legit talaga si Soundcore, guys. Ito yung store and outlet nila dito sa SM Mega Mall. Ayan. Check nyo yung price ng R50 INC. Grabe, 1,400, diba? Pero dito sa TikTok, mabibili mo lang ng 1,060 pesos. Nakatipid ka na sa gas, pati earbuds na bibilin mo, ang laki pa ng discount. This earbuds has 4 AI-powered microphones na may strong active noise cancellation, kaya crystal clear ang calls mo indoor man or outdoor calls. Naka 10mm driver speaker unit din, kaya sobrang immersive talaga ng audio experience mo dito. Sobrang balance at perfect ng equalization ng earbuds na to, grabe. Once matest mo, maririnig mo na agad yung difference ng quality sa ibang earbuds. May base-up technology na rin pala to, kaya dumadagundong ang bass. Magagamit mo for 10 hours plus may 45 hours ka pa na charging case. May kasama pang phone stand yan, no? Naka IP54 na rin, kaya dust-proof and splash-proof, making it perfect for workouts. May EQ presets din in case na gusto mo ibahin, and this model also has 3D surround sound for movies naman, para feel na feel mo talaga yung pinapanood mo. Ang daming features niyan sa app like find device, different ambient modes, and you can even change the function buttons. Ngayon lang uli nagka-stock to, guys, after several months, kaya if gusto mo rin, check out mo sa Yellow Basket.